Hi, I'm Andrew from Indeema company, and I am super happy to be here at CES conference in Las Vegas. And here we have our product that we want to present, and this is the drone platform. It was developed in collaboration with Avnet and AWS companies. And in a few words, this platform can give you the ability to very easily arrange the drone system for making the investigations more or less anything what's on the ground, especially on the big areas. So we're using the Greengrass and IoT Connect technologies here, and I can give just a quick example how it might work. Like a really nice case is, for example, if you own the ranch, which is very big, and you have a lot of cattle there, and using this platform, you can monitor the position of your cattle or even the health conditions of your cattle. Like, it works like this. So you have something like control panel at AWS, you just enter it, you just select the AI model, which is suitable for your needs. Then you select the data set for that, for your actual tasks. Then you just press button, train, and the AWS infrastructure trains this model for you. After that, when it's already trained, you press a button, upload, and this model is uploaded to the drone. There is the edge computing module on the drone. Usually we use Nvidia Jetson, or we can also use Hailo or even Raspberry Pi, depending on the complexity of your task. And after that, this drone can just fly over your ranch and looking actually for your cattle. And we can also put the thermal camera underneath and get the cattle's thermal profile, which gives a lot of information about the health of the cattle. Then when the data is collected, it's processed by AI model, and the report is brought back to your control panel. After that, you just have everything on your screen, like all the information that you were looking for. Yeah, this is more or less how it works.